Simply Pond's 2100 Water Garden and Pond Kit with 10-foot x 10-foot PVC liner. Build a 6x6-inch 400-gallon water garden or fish pond at a 1.5-inch depth. Finished pond length, width, and depth can be tailored to your specific requirements. Pond liner and submersible water pump are safe for fish, wildlife and aquatic plants. The Simply Pond's 2100 Water Garden Kit includes Savio 16-inch waterfall filter, Pond Builder 7-inch Serenity skimmer, Manta 2100 GPH submersible pump, 20mm PVC Polyguard pond liner, Underguard underlayment non-woven geotextile, Patriot Pond Lighting 1-watt mini bronze spotlight with 6-watt transformer, 1.5x 25-inch kink-free tubing, Savio black foam 12 ounces can, Rescue Water Treatments beneficial bacteria 8 ounces. 1 contact for warranty claims. Warranties on major components: PVC Polyguard pond liner 5-year, Savio 16-inch waterfall filter 5-year, 7-inch Serenity skimmer 5-year, Manta 2100 pump 2-year, Patriot Pond Lighting 1-year, kink-free tubing 25 years. All installation hardware and plumbing fixtures are included. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.